Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened Euro JPY pair. Okay. Here, if you observe, I have plotted a level which was a major level, and if you notice, the minor trend is a downtrend. And just now the market reached to the support area, which the level I have been plotted. Okay, we will start from the next candle. Okay, here I will go with buyers. Why? Oh, it's spike. Okay, anyways, it's a late entry. It's okay, but I have to explain the situation first of all for you. Here, every time from that area only, you can check buyers entries. So here I don't have any kind of confirmation to go with sellers, nor here only I have go with buyers only, because every time that particular area is trying to form buying candles only. Sometimes breakout reversal, sometimes closing reversal, these situations only trying to form. So that's the reason only I have gone with buyers. Maybe today is Monday, that's why you are getting more volatility in the market. Maybe these kind of markets you should try to avoid. And I will do one thing, I will take trades in the different pairs. Maybe you could understand the different situations. Maybe I will try to take trades as much as possible. Okay. Here finally we got loss because our entry point, but our prediction is correct. The area is a buying area, so easily we can win this trade, but our entry point made us loss. Okay, now I have gone with sellers. Why? If you understand from the top, the market is trying to make reversal, again continuation. See, from the top the market is making high, low, lower, low, lower, low, but in the downside it's only a support area. It is constant, but in the top it is differ. So easily you can expect here sellers. So, and one more thing I should mention, the rejection of the previous candle, which was rejected from the previous area, which is a selling area. If you understand easily, you can enter here with sellers. If you don't have clarity, try to avoid or wait regarding these kind of situations, because the market is overall moving now. As of now, last 10 candles, it was a sideways. So try to understand. But if you notice, easily you can go with selling because the rejections are high towards the sellers. So easily we got win. Okay, as I said, let me change the pair. Okay, we'll take one more pair for trading. Which one? Okay, Euro GBP. It's fine. Oh, what is here? Can you guess? Overall trend is a downtrend. Market is moving in a sideways, and again late entry. Oh, these first trades and spikes are too heavy. Maybe for that reason you should make me these kind of things, because don't open and blindly don't go over trade. Analysis will be correct, but the amount will be lost. That is the problem. So that's why only the late entries have been formed. Here you know that the market momentum is too fast. Even you check the VIX also, the VIX and the candles are too high. Try to check those two, and I suggest you try to check the market twice, because entry points makes you loss. Like first candle I have got loss, but here we got again loss because of our entry point, but the prediction is correct. Okay, one thing I should mention. Okay, now I will go with sellers. Let me get entry. Okay, sorry, now I will go with buyers. Why? First of all, here I should mention, previously I am saying every time the market is getting buyers, I have plotted two levels. One is a trend line, second one is a horizontal level. Okay, because this area where it comes every time buyers, you can check easily, you may understand, every time from that area only you are getting buying candles only, no sellers are interested. So if you check up to that area, the sellers are formed, but comparing to that area previously you got a rejection of the strong selling candle. So that's why only I have gone with buyers with previous. And now again the area is too strong, so I could expect one more retracement. Easily I can go with. So that's why only I have gone with buyers. But this is a doji candle. I will do one thing, with the margin of safety, I will go with buyers. With the margin of safety. Okay, I got nice entry point, but here with the margin of safety I am going with buyers. Why I can say this thing means, previously we got lost due to our entry point, but this time I have used my entry point to go with only buyers. Let's see what will happen. Here you should understand one more thing. There is a complication. We have a momentum before. Sometimes the sellers will enter, sometimes the buyers will, if this is a buying candle, yeah, we could have a confirmation that the buyers have taken the power, but here we have a momentum which is a strong, so that's why I have doubt. With the margin of safety only I have taken, and I have taken the entry where the level has been formed previously, so easily we can win this trade. See, it has been closed exact at the level, and even now I can go with sellers, but here I don't have any entry point. Okay, I will take entry if the level crosses. Okay, I got nice entry. 1 second, let me take the level. Okay, now yeah, now I got perfect entry. This candle will be a selling candle only. Why this is a selling candle? Because previously you have a momentum, but now still the sellers are interested, like we got confirmation from the previous candle. So easily you can expect one more selling candle here, because there is a gap for the next level. And one more thing, instead of taking selling, because I didn't get entry point, so that's why only I have gone with buyers, but the present candle will be a selling candle only. So try to understand this point. I'm mentioning this. Okay, so maximum the sellers only will enter, because previous we got confirmation, so you can continue. Okay, shall we change the chart? I think 3 trades have been completed, right? Okay, I will change the chart if possible. Okay, 1 second, let me check. Okay, now we will take OTC pair. Okay, up to now we have taken real pairs. Okay, here we have a momentum first of all, and left side there is a level, right? Let me plot the level. Okay, the time is getting, okay, I will go with the reversal. Let me plot the horizontal level here. Let me show you. Here we have a level. Previously the market already has been broken, but continuously if you notice, the candles are getting weakness. If you get this kind of weakness, the market could reverse anytime. It is a sign that the market wants to make a red candle. If these kind of things happen, means the market wants to make a weak candle. Okay, so as of now here I got loss, but with margin of safety I will go with buyers, because now I am following the momentum. Maybe I have mentioned a point, the market will get a weakness. It is a sign, it could reverse at any time. So with the margin of safety, yes, I got nice entry point. I will go with buyers only, because weakness which signs a retracement, which means a weak candle, we could have a rejections too. So in the uptrend, maximum you could find any hammer, these kind of things only, because as of now I didn't get any spike to the buyer's side, so no possibility of spinning top. So maximum the hammer will form, because the candle looks like the same rejection towards the down. Okay, so we have to see what will happen. See, overall trend is a downtrend, the market is trying to go up as of now. And here is my major level. I think, let me adjust the level. No, it is not possible. Okay, see, at last it make a weak candle. See how difference it is. As I mentioned before, only the market will reverse at any time, but there is an indication before itself. So whenever you are trading, if you get this kind of momentum getting weakness, means yeah, you can think there is a weakness. Okay, my trend line is a major level. Okay, and now you have a doubt why I have gone with buyers. As you all know, the market wants to go up, first thing. Second thing, in between you got one retracement. It is not at all a strong candle, it is too weak candle. Maybe it could be an error candle also. So again the market will do continuation. That's it, right? In the middle of the trend, obviously you got a candle, yeah, you can continue. The next level is far, so easily you can go with buyers. So according to this all situations, I have gone with buyers. Sometimes you may get confusion regarding these trades. Try to watch again, because you may get clarity, because as of now you have seen my so many videos. Maybe easily you could get a clarity regarding these things. And now I have gone with sellers. Why? Because two things I have plotted a level where is a trend line, and second there is a horizontal level. I will take one more pair for my next trade. Okay, I will continue in these two pairs only as of now. Okay, here I won't take trade. I will stick to that previous chart only, because you need clarity, right? Anyways, leave this. Okay, here any opportunity? No, the time is completed. Anyways, we will stick to the previous pair. We will check regarding those two. because you need get clarity. Let me plot the level because next time it will be helpful. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, as of now here for the next candle we'll check. But here if you understand easily you can go with sellers because of my major level and the resistance level. You can understand those points. So easily we got to win. See, overall trend is a downtrend. Okay, we will trade in the next candle. Here, can I go with buyers? How can you go with buyers? Okay, here I have a question. If you observe from the down, which was the support area from the downside, easily you can go with buyers because market is low, high, higher, low. See, I have plotted two levels, right? Total three, two are support, one is horizontal level. So low, high, higher, low, higher, high. So market is trying to go up. So you can go with buyers easily with the margin of safety. And one more thing I should mention, easily you can go with buyers here. Comparing to the previous, the sellers are strong. Now the sellers are getting weak. So easily you can go with buyers here. So that's the reason with the margin of safety, I have gone with buyers. We have to see what will happen up to the end. See, at last we got a buying candle. So that's why take margin of safety, which will help you a lot. See, it has been closed exact at the level. Okay, we'll check the previous candle here, whether we have any. Yeah, I got an opportunity. Here we can go with buyers. Let me draw a trend line. Here we have a level, shoulder point. Okay, let me adjust like this. Maybe you could get better clarity. Okay, now I will go with buyers. Why? Previously, the area which I have plotted, every time you can expect minimum one or two, and in the last you have expected minimum a momentum. So can't even I expect at least one reversal. So easily I can expect one reversal. So that's why I have expected one reversal candle in the favor of buying. Try to check the points which I am showing. Watch the video twice because you could understand better. Because I am changing the chart because you could understand better. Because the situations won't come as same as every time. Now what is the next candle? Don't go with buyers. You should go here with sellers. Why? See the trend line of the major level. Can't you expect selling? Yeah, obviously it's a major level. You should give respect, right? So try to go with sellers. Don't go with buyers here, okay? So that's why you should understand the market. Then you can trade easily every time. See how strong the area is coming from. So easily you can expect a selling candle here. So whenever you are trading, try to plot the levels. And second thing, whenever you have clarity, only take trades. Otherwise, no need to take trades because you may end up with losses. Because the mindset should be clear whenever you are trading. Otherwise, you feel loss and you feel low that the things won't getting work. These all things will come in your mind. Okay. What is the next candle? Obviously, you can go with sellers only. How can you say you can go with sellers? Okay, I have an example here. If you notice the previous red candle, which shows a rejection, but at present the previous red candle, did you find any weakness? No, it is a strong candle. So which means the market wants to go down. And one more thing in your mind, you should keep this point. The market is coming from a major area, right? Always. So what do you expect? Yeah, you can continue with the sellers again. So that's why only I have gone with sellers. So whenever you are trading, try to observe this kind of points. You will get betterment in your trading standards. Every time you bet one thing, every time the chart won't be same. So that's why situations will find you the answers, not the charts, because charts won't be same every time. So try to follow the market. Here, what is the next candle? Yeah, I will go with sellers. Why? How can you say? Yes, I will go because I didn't find any weakness. Let me find weakness, then I will think about reversal. Up to then, I will go only with sellers only. Sometimes you should understand this reality. Sometimes it will reverse, but most of the time it will continue towards the next weakness candle only. So up to the weakness, no reversals. When the weakness forms, yeah, you can think about reversal. Because this point I have mentioned before the first chart. I think in Euro JPY pair, right? Continuously the market is getting weakness means, yeah, you can expect a reversal. As that only the market has been reversed. So like here also, I didn't find any weakness. Even if it is loss also, I will go with only sellers. So you should understand these all points, because working on charts only make you profitable. See, you got a weak candle. Now can I expect a reversal? Okay, I will go with buyers here. We'll see what will happen. Because I got a weakness, so easily I can go with buyers. But I have a doubt. Yeah, I got a weakness. Is there any level to go with buyers? Do you think there is any level? Maybe left side there are one or two buyers. Maybe sometimes it could reverse, sometimes it may not. But after weakness only, I have thought to go with buyers. Let's see what will happen. Anyways, even if it is loss also, I will try to show the reality for you. It's not a big deal, because every candle we can't predict perfectly. Sometimes we get losses, sometimes we should recover with our mindset only. See here again, you got a weak selling candle. Maybe maximum this candle will be a sellers only, right? Yeah, okay. See again weakness. So now you may think, yeah, again can I go with sellers? No, it's wrong. Now you can go with buyers only. Sir, how can you go with buyers? Because, yeah, like you said, I could go with sellers again, because here I didn't get any strong candle that I should take a confirmation to go with sellers. Here in this case, try to go with buyers or try to wait, don't trade. Because most of the time these areas will be like this only. Sometimes the market will show the weakness and suddenly they will get a exhaustion candle type. So these kind of situations will happen. If you have clarity, go with buyers. Otherwise, try to wait, because already 2 times you have a weakness of the sellers. So don't try to take trades with selling. If possible, try to go with buyers or try to wait. It's not a big deal. See, now you got buying easily. Okay, we got win. Okay, now what is the next candle? Sir, there is gap. Easily we can go with buyers, right? Yeah, you can go buyers, but there is a level now. Let me show you. Here from the top you have a trend line. Okay, so with margin of safety, yes, you should go with sellers. Let me take the trade. Yes, I got nice entry point. So with the margin of safety, I am going with sellers here. So you should check these levels also. Just now the market is coming means it has been formed a new levels too. So when you update the levels only, you will get nice winning ratio. Otherwise, you keep losing the levels you can't find. So try to check these points easily. You can win this trade. Okay, easily you can win this trade. Okay, what is the next candle now? Can you guess? Already the market is trying to come down. The candle is too strong. From that area, every time you are getting 2 candles. What is the next candle? Yeah, easily you can go with sellers, right? So again, I am going with sellers. I think I have taken so many trades as of now. Okay. In the last, I will show you my history and I will close the session. See, in this video, you have multiple charts, confirmations, and multiple trades. So try to check the points, try to analyze the chart. Then only you can understand the scenarios regarding the points. So whenever you are trading, try to observe twice, then take trades. See, even I am trading in the first trade, I got a late entries, I got loss. But even the prediction is correct also. If it is loss means end of the day, it is loss only, right? So try to understand these kind of points. Okay, finally the sellers have been entered. Okay guys, finally we got win. Okay, here you can check my history. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you, take care, goodbye.